Karnataka. It is such a privilege to be associated with them. And coming to ARM, one thing that is most exciting to me still is, which I think all audience will relate to, because I think anymore there's no boundaries that this is a Malayalam film, only Malayalam people will watch. Everybody is consuming good content these days. And for me, the most exciting part is like in Tulu, we have Kola, which we saw in Kantara. So that is such a rooted film which was supported by all over the world. And similarly, this film is also a very rooted film, and it's a very exciting story. It happens over a period of 3 generations, which I think will be exciting for all the generations to watch, from little kids to people who are in their 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, to people, millennials, Gen Z. Everybody is going to enjoy this film because the story itself is so exciting and entertaining to watch. And I think Jitin's speciality is his vision. It's extremely grand, which was amazingly brought to life by Jamon sir. And this film is also coming out in 3D, which, I mean, it's the same film. Shot by shot, it's the same film in 2D and 3D. But we feel like the experience will be enhanced in 3D because the audience will, not just for the action scenes, the audience will feel immersed and very, very involved with the characters once you see them up so close, even in romantic scenes or even in scenes which don't have any actions involved. And apart from that, it was really wonderful working with this team. It's my debut in Malayalam. I could not have asked for a better debut working with Tovino, which I always say that I feel like he's one of the greatest actors of our generation. The kind of hard work that I saw him put into into these 3 characters. I think as actors, when you're playing 3 characters on screen and they have to be all very different from each other, you still have the same face. So trying hard to create an expression for each character which looks different from each other. And I know how much hard work he put in for that, and I found it very, very inspiring. And I really can't wait for the audience to watch it and show their love. And if you really love the film, please spread the word and support the film. Thank you so much.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಕೃತಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು 3D ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಟೊವಿನೋ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಸರ್.